Staley Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning has been a Lennox dealer since 1941. Staley serves Mid-Michigan homeowners and businesses to help them maintain a happy, healthy environment. You can trust Staley's for all of your plumbing, heating, and air conditioning needs. If you're ready to upgrade your furnace or air conditioner, Staley's offers Lennox, the most innovative technology that saves money. Trust Staley's Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning, Mid-Michigan's premier Lennox dealer since 1941.